Hi everyone, this video content is about exact differential equation.
Everyone, now we are in question 2, which is of topic 4, that is exact differential equation. Now the question is solve the differential equation for this one, but there is a condition provided over here, that is at y equals to 0 when x equals to pi. First, after solving, let's substitute these values at the end. So firstly we have to start solving. Now let's rewrite the equation again for your clarity. That is cos x plus y sin x dx minus, when this one comes this side we automatically put minus, as it is plus here is equals to 0. So now the thing is, let us consider this as equation 1. Now there is a general equation which is equation 2. So now let's start compare equation 1 and 2. So we do get m and n values respectively. So m is the thing which is before dx and n is the thing which is before dy. So irrespective of this sign which is in the middle, we have to consider m and n values. But if it is minus over here, we have to take n value as minus cos x. If it is plus, n value is plus cos x. So m is cos x plus y sin x and n is minus cos x. N is minus cos x. So majorly our most of the people do wrongs here, or they keep plus here. So now let's proceed the process. Now step 1. What was the step 1 I have told you earlier is uh, we have to prove that dou m by dou y is equals to dou n by dou x. Now let's find out dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x. That is dou by dou y of m, where m is, first we are finding dou by dou m value, which is I am writing here. Dou by dou y of m, that is cos x plus y sin x. What we are finding here, that is dou m by dou y, right? Then now differentiation of y with respect to x gives 0. Now here we do have y term over here, so we start partial differentiating here. So here we do dou by dou y of y into sin x. So here we follow UV formula actually, that is u into v dash plus v into u dash. So dou by dou y of u into v equals to u into v dash plus v into u dash. This is the formula. Now u into v dash, that is 0. Dou by dou, so I will let you make clarity. U into of sin x plus dou by dou y of y. This term leads to 0 plus dou by dou y of y is 1, that is sin x. So here the dou m by dou y value is this thing. So let's put a box here. Now dou by dou x, dou n by dou x value you have to find. That is dou by dou x of n. What is n over here? N is minus cos x. So we know that dou by dou x of minus cos x is minus sin x. Minus sin x. Minus of minus leads to plus. So dou n by dou x value is this thing. The whole thing is dou n by dou x. So let's start comparing dou n by dou x and dou m by dou y. Here dou n by dou x is sin x and dou m by dou y is also sin x. 0 plus sin x is sin x. So here we got dou m by dou y is equals to dou n by dou x, that equals to sin x. So we can say that it is a exact differential equation. Now the step 2 is general solution m dx plus n dy, where this part should have y as constant and this part should has it should not contain x from it. So now we have m equals to this value and n equals to this value. Let's put m and n over this equation. This is c actually. So now let's put this cos x plus y sin x into dx plus of minus. Here we terms should be freeing from x, right? Here it is 0 into dy, that equals to c. So now let's ignore this whole term and just solve this one. That is integration of cos x is sin x. That is sin x plus integration of as we are keeping y as constant, we should not do anything for it. So simply differentiating this term which is left over after keeping y as constant, integration of sin x. So let me explain you this. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. Is minus cos x. So minus cos x is equals to c. So now this becomes sin x minus y cos x is equals to c. So now this question has a condition. The condition is at y equals to 0 when x equals to pi. Let's substitute y equals to 0 and x equals to pi in this equation. So now we should place x equals to pi and y equals to 0. So sin pi is equals to c, as this whole terms becomes 0. So sin x minus 0 is sin pi minus 0. As we are substituting x as pi, sin pi minus 0 gives sin pi, where sin pi equals to c. So now we have got c value here. So nothing but substituting c in this. So I will let you know by taking equation 1 and 2. So placing equation 2 in 1, we get answer. So that becomes sin x minus y cos x is equals to sin pi. This is the answer we do get. After simplifying this in RHS part, we will get the whole answer, where sin pi tends to 0. See, sin pi is nothing but sin 180. Sine 180 is sine of 90 plus 90, where sine of 90 is cos 90, which is 0. So finding sine 80 value without calculator, here I have mentioned in this block. So with 90, this value will change to cos. This trigonometric value will change to cos. So this is the value of sine pi, and this is our final answer. This is the answer.
So I hope I have conveyed the concept to you. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.